about to scoop hash. That's my little boo thing. Pretty brown skin nigga, and she not loopy. She my personal. That's a
See ya. Love yourself, you guys, and welcome back. Before we get into this video, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And we're about to get this thing going. Okay, if you guys read the title, you've seen the title, you read the description, then you already know what's about to happen in this video. Today, I'm about to share 2 recipes with you guys that you can use to help you lose body fat in the abdominal area and, you know, lose weight overall if you guys are looking to reach a goal or whatever the case may be. But I want to give a big, a shout out to Ask Debbie About Hair on TikTok. I got this recipe from her, but I did add like some other stuff to it to, spice it up a little bit and make it a little juicier and better. So we about to get right into it. So I'm sharing with you guys some tips on how to lose this belly fat, because your girl, I'm slim and everything, but I have a gut on me from like inflammation, from bloating, also due to like my diabetes and everything like that. So I'm going to show you guys some like before and after pictures of what I look like with this belly and stuff like that. I look pregnant, but I'm not pregnant, which is crazy. It looks crazy as hell. So I'm going to show you guys these pictures before I even go any farther with any other like detail or anything else like that. So let me show you guys these pictures first. Okay, so you guys seen the pictures, right? You've seen those pictures. Those pictures look fucking terrible. So the recipe that I have for you guys today, I'm also going to show you guys like how I've been tracking and how much I've been using. So I put it in my calendar of how many days that I actually been using the tea and the results within those days, which I've been doing it for almost 3 weeks, almost not a full 3 weeks, but like 2 weeks and like a few days or something like that. And so basically what I used was ginger root. I used raw honey. This is Nature Nate's natural honey minis, and this is the 100% raw and unfiltered honey. You want to use raw and unfiltered honey. That's how you're going to get the best of the, for the product to work a little more better and efficient. Raw honey, for sure. Raw. It has to be raw. It can't be no other honey. No process. Raw and unfiltered will probably be the best one for you to get. The next ingredient is Ceylon cinnamon. You could buy this at your local grocery store. I brought mine from Wegmans. This was like, this brand in general, well, this is a Wegmans brand. I didn't even know that. This brand in general, I think was like between $2 to $3. $2 to $3. Ceylon honey. Ceylon cinnamon. This would probably be the best one to get because it works more efficiently and it works more better than ground cinnamon. I did try it with the ground cinnamon. The ground cinnamon was a little more overpowering than this one was. So I would recommend this. I'm going to tell you guys the benefits. Actually, before I get into that, I'm going to show you guys what. So besides the tea, so what I did was boil hot water. I shredded some ginger up and put it in my filter cup. Let me go grab that to show you guys what that looked like. Okay, so this is my little tea cup thingy. So it comes with the little strainer thing and then, the cup. So this is what I use. So basically I shred up my ginger, put it in here. After the water is done boiling, I steep the ginger for a minute until it gets like a lukewarm. And then I strain out the ginger and then I add my cinnamon and my honey. I do use the top to cover it up so that way it it's a more quicker process, or so that way the heat won't necessarily escape and, you know, seep that ginger and everything like that. So let me show you guys the paste that you also can use if you don't want to drink or make tea all the time and everything like that. So here is the cinnamon and honey paste that you can use that actually does work as well. So what I do is take a tablespoon or a spoonful and take that in and just do it like that, because certain words I don't want to use. But take a spoonful of this paste, eat it, and you can do this before. I usually do it before bed. That way it suppresses my appetite, because, you know, a lot of times at nighttime or before bed we do overeat sometimes, or excessive eating, which causes a lot of bloating and everything at night. And yeah, we don't really allow our food to digest enough before we go to bed. This is a good way to use if you don't want to make the tea. So with the tea, I use ginger, I use this honey, the raw honey, I use the Ceylon cinnamon. I did add, for like 2 or 3 days, I did add like lemon for the first 2 days, and then I did lime for the first 2 days, and then lemon for the next couple of days to give it that good cinnamon, ginger, lemon, honey tea. You know what I'm saying? That actually did work. Like, as you guys see, I'm gonna show you guys again, like the process of from August 31st through September 18th, the results. And as you guys can see, the results is tremendous with that tea and that weight loss, you know, benefits. So I'm going to give you guys some notes. I wrote notes down because I can't really remember too much information, because sometimes my brain be all over the place. So cinnamon is supposed to help with the body. Cinnamon is supposed to help the body lose cinnamon helps your body lose visceral fat, okay? Because that word kind of slipped my mind a little bit, and it was kind of, I don't know. Which visceral fat is kind of hard to lose, and that's the fat that's behind, like behind the abdominal area, that's hard to reach sometimes. So cinnamon helps to target that area specifically. It also has antimicrobial and anti-parasitic properties. It helps to lower your blood pressure for anybody who has high blood pressure or are looking to lower their blood pressure any kind of way. And it also helps to lower your cholesterol. For those who are looking to lower their cholesterol as well, about to put y'all on. The next thing is honey, these are the 2 main ingredients that you should use. Honey activates hormones that suppresses appetite and aids in weight loss. For those who were wondering what honey and cinnamon does. Ginger also has its benefits for weight loss. They have 2 compounds that I cannot pronounce, so I'm not going to try to pronounce them. I will put them up for you guys to look at, the 2 compounds that help with weight loss. And ginger also has like anti properties as well to help with, you know, stress and everything like that. Go smart, saying. So yeah, so if you don't, I don't really measure anything that I do at all. Like when it comes to cooking and anything like that, I don't measure at all. I just go with the flow. So if you guys are not looking to do too much with the cinnamon and honey paste, so what I did was add 1 pouch of honey. I added just 1 of these, and then I just did like 1, 2, 3 of the cinnamon. Like just drizzle the cinnamon up in there. You could do that. With the tea, I usually just put as much ginger as I want in it. And then I do 1 pack of the honey. And then I do a couple of swabs in there of the cinnamon. And far as like lemon or lime juice, if you guys want to use that, you do not have to use lemon or lime juice. You could just take a half of a lemon, a half of a lime, and just squeeze it into the tea to enhance the flavor and everything like that. But you guys do not have to use the lemon or the lime if you guys don't want to, or you don't have to use the ginger. You can literally just take hot water and then pour it in the honey. Pour the honey and the cinnamon in there and just drink it like that. You don't have to. I just did the ginger and stuff because it tastes better and it helps aid with a lot of other properties as well, as far as like skin and everything like that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, because I couldn't wait to share this information with you guys, because I seen the progress and I seen the results of what these two recipes could do as far as the paste and the tea. And I actually enjoyed and loved my results, and it kind of brought me happiness. But I haven't been active as much as I used to be a couple of years ago. I used to be way active and more fit. Now I'm just kind of lazy and stuff, and I'm not really feeling that. So I got to do something to get myself back into the game and to make sure I look and feel healthy. So yes, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. I always forget something. Like, comment, subscribe. If you guys would like to see other things or would like to suggest anything in the comment section, just go ahead and do that. I won't bite you. I won't come at you sideways. I'm open to new ideas. I'm open to hear what you guys would like to hear, or I'm open to listening to you guys about whatever. Just let me know and I will make a video on that thing. Okay, see ya.